Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I'm moving forward, expanding, branching out one of my websites. And I'm just going to get to it. So then you can learn if you want to follow my lead. I use WordPress, and I'm going to show you how I'm tweaking the back end to work smarter in the future and to work easier in the future. Here we go. This is Website InterWeb Income Course 8. What I'm going to show you here, I've already completed it on another page. This is paragraph 1, this ad right here. Paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. Why am I doing that? In the Ad Inserter Pro plugin that I'm using, I'm going to create 4 blocks, and I'm titling them Crackers, Flatbreads, and Chips. And it's because in the future, well, I'm already doing it, I'm going to build web pages or blog posts promoting potato chips, crackers, flatbreads, and I could always add to that, but I felt those 3 were a good start. I copied that. I'm going to the next block. I'm pasting it. I'm going to make that paragraph 2. I'm going to click Save. I have nothing checked yet, okay? Paragraph 3, click Save. Oops. Paragraph 4, click Save. Why show you that? When this is red, that means it's off because I was testing it out. These have not been set up yet because I want to create these blocks. So when I create many pages in the future or blog posts, this is what I'm going to do. I'm already on crackers, flatbreads, and toasts. This is an old page that I'm revitalizing. I'm choosing which, I'm keeping all of these pages here, and I'm going through every single one of them. I have 5 pages in the back end of web pages that I decided to keep, but they need to be tweaked. They need to be edited. They need to be improved. This is a space bar. Add before, that's a block. I'm going to choose columns. Here's 3. I'm going to add 4. I'm going to add 1 to turn it into 4. You go in between. Here's the plus sign. This is very important. I choose paragraph. Plus sign. You could choose something else, but I use paragraphs and I know it works. Paragraph. Paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. I told each block what I wanted it to be. Paragraphs. I'm going to update. I'm doing that because I want to make these 4 blocks on this page. I want 4 blocks above this. I'm going to keep it on top like this. Like this is on top of this page. And I'm going to add the search engine in that wording, but I might put the 4 blocks above. Well, that's another time, but let me finish showing you this. So I did the 4 blocks. Now I'm going to grab the URL. This is very important. Grabbing the URL, I'm copying it. I'm going back to the Ad Inserter Pro. I'm working on web pages, so that's static pages. I figured that out. So I'll click Save after I check that. And eventually I'll use posts too. But right now I'm revitalizing old pages. I'm planning for the future because I want to write about crackers, flatbreads, and chips and sell those products on my website. Over here, you see insertion. Right here, down here. Before paragraph is what I chose. Before paragraph 1, it matches here. Before paragraph 1. and I have it on center. That means these ads will be centered in each block. It won't look like it's to the left or to the right. I like it centered. I took that URL. I'm going to tap on lists. You see this? Lists. White blacklist category. That's what you're concerned about. I'm going to tap URLs. See URLs? Tap that box. It opens this field. I'm going to paste that URL. Sometimes this end I have to get rid of. I'm going to paste that URL. You see how HTTPS is there? You need to include that. I'm going to click Save. Save Settings. I'm going to tap this box again. You see how the HTTP went away? Let the program do that. You must include the HTTPS. Then, you see this X here? You want to turn that into a check. Then click Save Settings. If that's not a check, when you embed the code that you would grab from Amazon, I just don't want to share all the information. There's a lot of information in this code, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it private, those codes. But I would put the code here. And then I have block 1, paragraph 1, talking about crackers, flatbreads, and chips. Then there's a paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. So in the future, say I have 20 pages speaking about these products, crackers, flatbreads, and chips. I just come to these blocks and I change the code and I click Save Settings. Because then it will change it on, then it will change it on all the URLs you have listed in the lists. All of a sudden, this time next year, I might have 25 URLs speaking about that topic. Well, I come to this block, I change the Amazon code, or I could replace it with some other code if I want from another company, and click Save Settings. It will change it on all those pages. So that's how I did that. Block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. Let me show you here. See, which page is this? Baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch. You see I have the 4 ads there. I can show you that. Let me click Update. Let me go back here. Oh, it's right here. Great. You see how it says type, choose a block? I already chose it. This is paragraph 1. This is paragraph 2. This is paragraph 3. This is paragraph 4. Which produced this right here. And I use the Add Inserter Pro. I would show you the codes, but I'm not sure if I can. Here's something else to show you. See when it's red? That means it's not active. You're shutting it off. You want that red to be gray, and then click Save Settings. So then the ads will show. I could continue to show you more. But see, you see how I'm setting myself up to make it easier in the future? My foundation's solid. I know what I'm doing. I continue to understand. It's a part of planning how you're going to roll out more pages, more posts on your website, but you want freedom in the future. I don't want to go back. Say I create 25 pages in the next year about those topics. Crackers, chips, flatbreads. I have to go to every single page and change every code? No. That's where that plugin comes into play. But I wanted you to see how I'm setting it up. And my future pages, this is very good to show you. My future pages, I'm going to have those ads right on top. So there's no confusion when I get into the blocks, because that can get very confusing. I know it's paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and I'm going to keep that format on every page. Like here, what paragraphs are these? I'll tap here. Yeah, these are they actually consider this paragraph 1, even though this is here. This is content. This is a post. Oh yeah, that's a post. Well, here's paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. I hope you learned something. I'm planning for the future, and I just applied to the Walmart affiliate or associate program through the third party that runs it. I applied to it, so I'm hoping within this week they give me an answer so I can start promoting their products on this website too. Instead of just using Amazon, I'm going to focus on Amazon and Walmart. And my content, and the Google ads, and my affiliate links, my YouTube videos. It just keeps going on and on and on. See you in the next video clip. Good luck, everyone. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.